Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Xfinity Customer Support or Service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to open up a web browser and then I'm going to head on over to xfinity.com. Now from here, what you want to do is navigate all the way to the bottom of the page. And then when you're at the bottom of the page here, click on the drop down menu where it says Services. Click the drop down menu where it says About Us, and then you want to click onto Sitemap. Then from here, scroll down until you see where it says Under Customers here. You want to click onto, Customer Support. You want to click onto where it says Customer Service. So click that option there, Customer Service. And now it will say Xfinity, how can we help? So scroll down. Keep scrolling down, and then you've got Ask Xfinity. So open up a chat with Xfinity assistant, and now ask them that you'd like to speak to a customer support or service worker, and then they'll redirect you to a real human to speak to.